We live in a world obsessed with the beginning of a love story, the spark, the chemistry, the grand gestures. But the real magic, the enduring achievement, lies in the continuation. How do you move past the honeymoon phase, navigate decades of shared bills, changing bodies, and unpredictable life crises, and still look at the same person and feel that deep, unshakable sense of home? The truth is, lasting love isn't about finding a perfect person, it's about committing to an imperfect process. When the initial rush of passion naturally mellows, what's left is the structure you built. That structure needs constant, dedicated maintenance. Longevity isn't a passive state, it's an active pursuit. It's the daily choice to show up for your partner, not just as a lover, but as their most dedicated fan, their confidant, and their co-pilot. The strongest, most durable relationships are founded on one powerful word. It's the bridge that allows you to cross the inevitable gaps of misunderstanding and conflict. That word is trust. And here is what it looks like, applied every single day. T is for time. You need dedicated, non-negotiable quality time. This isn't just sitting in the same room while scrolling on separate devices. This means putting the phone down and giving your partner your full presence for 20 minutes, an hour, or a whole evening. It means scheduling that date night and treating it like the most important meeting of your week, because truly, it is. R is for respect, always. Respect is the boundary line you never cross, especially during an argument. It means you can disagree passionately without resorting to insults, name-calling, or attacking your partner's core character. You treat their dreams, their work, and their family with the same dignity you expect for your own. When you fight, the problem is the issue, not the person. U is for understanding and utility. This is empathy in action. It's about seeking to understand their perspective before you rush to defend your own. And utility means asking, how can I be useful to you today? It could be something small, like filling up their gas tank, or something major, like supporting a career pivot. Show up in ways that genuinely ease their burden. S is for share your full self. Relationships die in isolation. You have to keep sharing your internal world, your fears, your anxieties, your triumphs, and your embarrassments. If you start compartmentalizing your life, creating walls they can't climb over, you starve the connection. Vulnerability is the glue of intimacy. Keep sharing your soft spots. T is for teamwork and togetherness. Life throws curveballs, jobs change, kids arrive, parents get sick. If you approach every crisis as two separate people fighting against the problem, you'll struggle. But if you see yourselves as a unified team fighting for each other, you become invincible. Say we instead of I when talking about challenges. You are in this together, and a united front is the single strongest defense against anything life throws at you. Building a forever love is not about achieving some static, perfect state. It's a dynamic, living agreement to wake up every morning and say, I choose you, I trust you, let's build today together. Focus on these 5 elements of trust, and you'll find that the best parts of your love story are the chapters you haven't even written yet.